Doing exercise or asanas is not yoga. Understand the real meaning of yoga to get the optimum benefits. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anjali and welcome to the channel Yoga with Dr. Anjali. In this video, we are going to discuss the real meaning of yoga and how to get the optimum benefits. So let's start. Yoga means to unite or to become one with. First, uniting with the self, with our own energy and consciousness, and after realizing the true self, ultimately uniting with the supreme energy or the divine. The energy inside us is called life force or vital energy, or in yogic language, we call it the pranic energy, which is a part of the universal energy. The consciousness inside us is called the individual consciousness, which is a part of the universal consciousness. So first, we unite or become aware of our own energy and consciousness, which we commonly call the soul or the spirit. And later, the stage comes when the individual energy and consciousness unites with the universal energy and consciousness, which we commonly call the supreme energy or the divine. This is the stage of yoga. Now, in the present time, all our awareness and attention is directed outside in the outer world, and we are least aware of our own mind and body. Yoga means to bring the awareness back to our body and mind. It does not mean only doing exercise or asanas, but doing the activities with all our awareness directed inwards on our body movements and breathing. Remember, energy flows where awareness goes. Yoga increases your self-awareness, self-alignment, and the level of vital energy inside you. So yoga is not just the form of physical exercise. Yoga is doing exercise or asanas or other yogic activities with all our awareness directed inwards, which helps you to energize and elevate yourself, to realize your true self and ultimately realizing the divine. If it helped you to understand the real meaning of yoga, hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Share the knowledge with more and more people. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any information on the subject. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.